Staying updated, mastering modern English phrases. Hello and welcome to our English learning series. Today, we're diving into a very contemporary and useful phrase, staying updated. This phrase is not just about language, but about staying relevant in our fast-paced world. Let's unravel its meaning and usage together. Staying updated refers to the act of keeping oneself informed about the latest developments or news in a particular area. This could be technology, fashion, current events, or even personal skills. It implies a continuous effort to know what's new and relevant. In our global and digitally connected world, staying updated is crucial. It helps in 1. Staying relevant in professional and personal conversations. 2. Keeping up with rapid changes in various fields. 3. Enhancing your knowledge and skills. 1. In professional context, it's vital for software developers to stay updated with the latest programming languages. 2. In daily life, I try to stay updated with current events by reading the news every morning. 3. In academic settings, staying updated with the latest research helps students and academics in their fields. 1. Regular reading. Follow blogs, news websites, and journals. 2. Use technology. Subscribe to newsletters and follow relevant social media channels. 3. Network. Engage in conversations with peers and professionals. 4. Continuous learning. Attend workshops, webinars, and courses. Not fact-checking. Always verify the information you come across. Information overload. Don't overwhelm yourself. Choose a few reliable sources. Neglecting offline sources, books, magazines, and direct conversations are also valuable. Remember, staying updated is about continuous learning and adapting. We hope this video helps you understand and use this phrase effectively in your English conversations. Keep learning, and see you in our next video.